back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make beef pilau. And without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. For this recipe, I'll be using 2 onions, 1 garlic, and a piece of ginger. I'm going to go ahead and cut my onions. You can dice, you can chop. At this point, I was trying to show off my culinary skills, which actually failed. Then I'm going to peel my garlic and ginger and crush them into a paste. The next step will be to heat oil in a sufuria or a cooking pot. Add in your onions and fry them until they're golden brown. Then after, add in your garlic and ginger paste. The second step will be to add in your pre-boiled meat. In this recipe, I will be using beef meat. Stir continuously to avoid burning. Then cover it to let it absorb all the juices. So I'll go ahead and add in my seasoning, which is 1 teaspoon of Pilau masala and a tablespoon of tomato paste or tomato puree. So I'm going to go ahead and add in water and let it boil. For this case, I added 5 glasses of water since I had measured 3 glasses of rice. So at this point, I'm just going to go ahead and add in the rice and let it cook on moderate heat. And also notice through the whole process I've not added any salt into my pilau. That is because the tomato paste already has salt in it, and the meat that I had boiled, I had put in some salt. So this seasoning was okay. As soon as it reaches this point where the water is not too much, just take an aluminium foil and wrap it round, cover it and cook it on low heat, very low heat, until it's dry and ready to serve. So here's my final result of how I make my beef pilau. It's very colorful and very tasty. I'm going to serve it and eat it with a banana. So my fellow fans and family, if you like this recipe, kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you're new and haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to my channel. And for the returning subscribers, thank you very much for your support. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.